the ballad of AI and chemical lore. Oh, gather round and hear me tell of AI's march where scholars dwell. In halls where flasks and beakers gleam, a new force stirs like science's dream. No longer must the weary learn through endless trials where fingers burn, for AI steps with guiding hand to chart the unknown vast and grand. It scans the tomes of ages past with algorithms quick and vast. A question posed, a model spun, and mysteries solved ere day is done. Behold, it cries, this compound's path, its bonds and breaks, its aftermath. Through simulations it reveals reactions once obscured, concealed. Yet teachers pause and thoughtful grow, for wisdom's path is still but slow. Can AI spark the flame inside, or guide the hands where skill must bide? The alchemist with the steady art knows learning's power lies in heart. For formulas alone won't do, without the soul to seek the true. But lo, together they can soar, both mind and machine, forevermore.